If you love nature, you've got to hear about these bizarre ants that are turning ecosystems upside down. These tiny creatures, known as yellow crazy ants, are causing a stir in the natural world. Their impact is so profound that scientists and environmentalists are constantly studying them to understand their behavior and the extent of their influence. These ants are not just another insect, they are a force to be reckoned with. Their presence in various ecosystems has led to significant changes, often disrupting the natural balance and causing a ripple effect that impacts numerous species. The more we learn about these ants, the more we realize just how complex and influential they are in the grand scheme of nature. These ants are called crazy for a reason. Their erratic, zigzagging movements are straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine watching a swarm of ants that seem to be moving without any sense of direction, yet they are incredibly efficient in their chaos. Their movements are so unpredictable that it can be mesmerizing to watch, almost like a choreographed dance of madness. This erratic behavior is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in their survival and hunting strategies. By moving in such an unpredictable manner, they can confuse predators and prey alike, giving them an edge in the wild. This unique movement pattern also helps them cover more ground quickly, allowing them to explore and exploit new areas for food and resources. But that's not all. Instead of stinging, they spray formic acid to defend themselves, which can blind other insects and irritate human skin. This unique defense mechanism sets them apart from many other ant species. The formic acid acts as both a weapon and a deterrent, making them formidable opponents in the insect world. When threatened, they can spray this acid with remarkable accuracy, ensuring their survival against predators and competitors. This ability to defend themselves so effectively has allowed them to thrive in various environments, often outcompeting native species and establishing themselves as dominant players in the ecosystem. Their use of formic acid is a fascinating example of how evolution has equipped them with the tools they need to survive and thrive. Yellow crazy ants are world travelers, hitching rides on ships and spreading across continents. Their ability to adapt to various environments makes them incredibly resilient. They have been found in tropical rainforests, urban areas, and even on remote islands. Their spread is facilitated by human activities such as global trade and travel, making it challenging to control their population. Once they establish themselves in a new location, they can quickly become a dominant species. Their adaptability is one of their greatest strengths, allowing them to thrive in a wide range of conditions. This adaptability also means that they can exploit new opportunities as they arise, further cementing their place in the ecosystems they invade. And when they arrive, they set up massive supercolonies with multiple queens and millions of workers. These supercolonies can span vast areas, sometimes covering entire regions. The presence of multiple queens ensures that the colony can grow rapidly and sustain itself over long periods. This social structure allows them to outcompete other ant species and dominate the local ecosystem. The sheer number of ants in these colonies can be overwhelming, making them a formidable force in nature. The supercolonies are highly organized, with each ant playing a specific role to ensure the survival and success of the colony. This level of organization and cooperation is a testament to the complex social structures that these ants have developed. Imagine an army of ants taking over entire islands. This is not just a hypothetical scenario. It has happened in several locations around the world. The impact of such invasions can be devastating to the local flora and fauna. These ants can alter the natural balance of ecosystems, leading to the decline or extinction of native species. Their presence can disrupt food chains and affect the overall health of the environment. The consequences of their invasions are far-reaching, often leading to long-term changes in the ecosystems they invade. The ability of these ants to dominate and alter their environments is a stark reminder of the power of invasive species and the challenges they pose to conservation efforts. On Christmas Island, they've decimated native red crabs, which are crucial for the island's ecosystem. The red crabs play a vital role in maintaining the health of the forest floor by controlling the population of leaf litter and other organic matter. With the decline of the red crab population, the ecosystem has been thrown out of balance, leading to unforeseen consequences. The yellow crazy ants have effectively taken over, creating a new dynamic in the island's environment. The loss of the red crabs has had a cascading effect, impacting other species and the overall health of the ecosystem. This example highlights the profound impact that a single invasive species can have on an entire ecosystem. These ants are also notorious for outcompeting native species and farming sap-sucking insects that can ruin crops. They have a symbiotic relationship with these sap-sucking insects, protecting them from predators in exchange for the sweet honeydew they produce. This farming behavior can lead to the destruction of crops and plants, causing significant economic damage. Farmers and gardeners often find themselves battling these ants to protect their livelihoods. The relationship between the ants and the sap-sucking insects is a fascinating example of mutualism where both species benefit from the interaction. However, this relationship can have detrimental effects on the plants and crops that are affected, leading to economic losses and challenges for those who rely on agriculture. From swarming larger animals to being a nuisance in homes, yellow crazy ants are nature's tiny terrors. Their presence in residential areas can be particularly problematic. They can invade homes in search of food and shelter, creating a nuisance for homeowners. Their ability to form large colonies means that once they establish themselves in a home, they can be challenging to eradicate. Their aggressive behavior and tendency to swarm can make them a formidable pest. Homeowners often find themselves dealing with infestations that can be difficult to control, requiring professional pest management services. The presence of these ants in residential areas is a reminder of the challenges that invasive species can pose to human populations. Stay tuned for more wild facts about the natural world. The story of the yellow crazy ants is just one example of how a single species can have a profound impact on the environment. Understanding these creatures and their behavior is crucial for managing their spread and mitigating their effects. As we continue to explore the natural world, we uncover more fascinating and sometimes alarming facts about the creatures we share our planet with. So keep watching and stay curious about the wonders of nature. The more we learn about these ants and other species, the better equipped we will be to protect our ecosystems and ensure the health and balance of our natural world. The story of the yellow crazy ants is a testament to the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth and a reminder of the importance of conservation and environmental stewardship.